I'm going to be showing you all how I make my thumbnails. First, what you're going to want to do is search up Pixlr.com. Once searching up Pixlr.com, you can either choose Advanced Pixel E or Playful Pixel X. Personally, when it comes to thumbnails, I choose Playful Pixel X, and that's what I'm going to choose for this one. The only difference between them is that they both have different tools that you can use. Then you want to go to Create New, click on Full HD, and name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it thumbnail. And then click Create. You'll then be shown a blank tablet, and that is all. What you're going to go do next is whatever you're trying to get a thumbnail for, you're going to want to go and search up whatever it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new tab and go to, and then search up whatever it was. So I had SCP, Secret Laboratory. Boom. You want to go to Images and look for an image that catches your attention. So I like this hallway image. So what I'm going to do is either click Copy Image or Save Image As. Personally, I do Copy Image and then hold down Control and then V, and then it'll copy it right here. So I already have everything I want with this. I don't want to change it up at all. So I'm going to go back to the images and look for another image. Let's see here. I like this image. Okay, so I'm going to copy it, go over to here, paste it, and now I'm going to use the cutout tool. With the cutout tool, I can use Magic Cutout, and it'll cut out things for me. That is not what I meant to do. Sometimes it won't always cut out what you want though. For example, like that. So what you're going to do is just click everywhere basically. If it doesn't work, then you can then instead use the shape cutout. There we go. And just bloop. Sometimes it breaks like that. You just gotta repaste your thing and then skadoosh. Now I'm gonna have him, skadoosh. And then for the rest, I'm going to use Draw Cutout. Just draw all around these edges to just delete them, like that. After you've finished with all your cutting out, then click the Arrange tool and move your image wherever you want to. I'm going to put mine in the corner since it fits best there. And now that I have moved it there, I see a couple of mistakes I have made. So what I'm going to do, fix those little mistakes that I made. Gosh, dang it! Hate that when that happens, man. Just and yeah, that's good enough. Cool. Alright, now that I've done that, I then want to find another image. Let's just go with I don't know, peanut. Sure. find the image that I want. I'm gonna copy it. And another program I like using is called remove.bg. I then just copy the image, paste the image, and it'll cut it out for me. If I don't like how it cut it out, I can always click edit, erase and restore, and restore or erase parts. I can also choose a background for it in case I just wanted a different background. So now I can make him float in space. Oh, that's great. Anyway, after I take my image, I then go back over here, paste him. Look at that chunk. And then I need to make him bigger. Sadly, I don't think there is a way to actually flip the things. So one way to flip them is by just searching flip image and then clicking pinetools.com. I couldn't remember the name. You have to save the image, sadly, so you can't just copy and paste like normal, but you choose your file, then click flip, and it flips the image. I do not feel like doing that, so I am not going to. Go back to the thing after you've flipped your image. Just pretend it's flipped, and you might want to add some text. So go here and go to cooltext.com. Choose out of the many different types. I'm gonna go with I guess legal, because this is legal. Sure. And then just put in whatever I want. So SCP. I can then copy this one. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but for the most part, it works when you copy it. So boom, I have copied my text. I then move my text around wherever I want. Just gonna put it up in the corner, because that is, to me, the best spot. And then I'm just gonna make another one. Boom, I'm gonna use this, because it looks good. And just put, Saturday stream. Create it, copy it, and then go back here, paste, and put it underneath here. After I've done all of that, I then want to add my watermark. Luckily, I have saved my little character, so I just go to my image, I go to pictures, and as you can see, I have many different pictures. But the one I am going to be using is my little gamer. Yeah. Look at that boy. I have now made him tiny. Now I have finished with all my stuff. So what I need to do is click on that X, first of all. And then I want to click save. Sometimes it will not show up the save button, so what you have to do is up here there will be a button called file, and you can save it from there. I'm just going to name this SCP thumbnail. So you can rename it in case you didn't like the name you gave it before. I like making the quality better, but it makes the size bigger, but honestly, who cares? Then you can download it. Yay, you have now downloaded your stuff. So, go to your video, and click upload thumbnail. Go to your downloads, and there's your thumbnail. Double click it, look at that chunk, and click save. That I have done that, I am good. Anyway, that is all for the tutorial. I will see you all next time. Peace!